is an update video on the road construction work going on along Dozie Way Bypass Umuahia, Abia State. I made this video about 4 weeks ago, and this was the extent of work done at the time of shooting this video. So this is me bringing you a current update on this road construction work going on. Okay, so just keep on watching. This particular video was made on the 11th of April 2025, and this was the current state of the road at the time of shooting the video. Okay, yes, so as you can see, the road looks totally different from the previous clip that you just watched. So they have actually poured the stone base, but it hasn't really gotten up to the Aheke area completely. Just keep on watching so you see the state of this road for yourself. Thank you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share this video as much as you can. And I also thought to use this opportunity to remind you that my newly released song Ike is already available on all digital platforms. You have it on Boomplay, Spotify, and the rest of them. Okay, so give me your support. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Keep on watching.